Hello children, good morning to all of you. So dear students, welcome to the virtual class presented by JIT Kids. Today in this science period, we are going to learn about the topic that is the exercise of lesson number 4, wild animals. So I hope you have completed your PH, yes, and you have read the lesson also, yes. If you didn't read, you have to read it once again, okay. So now you have to open your textbook, science textbook, with the page number 4040. So in this we are going to take the exercise, okay. So exercise A is there, fill in the blanks using correct words. So see, exercise A and B I have written on the board. So let us start the exercise. So see, fill in the blanks. Exercise A, fill in the blanks. So see, number 1, a rabbit lives in a. Means homes we have to write this where do the rabbits live. So your options are burrow and cave. Obviously rabbit lives in a burrow, so we are going to write the word burrow. Okay, so write down B-U-R-R-O-W, burrow. Okay, next, a zebra lives on land or trees. So zebra where lives? Obviously zebra does not live on the trees. So zebra lives on land. So you have to write land. On is already there. So you have to write only L-A-N-D, land. Okay. So next fill in the blank is a snake lives in a hole or burrow. So where do the snakes live? Options are hole or burrow. So snakes lives in a hole. Okay. So write in your handwriting H-O-L-E, hole. Okay. Now a leopard eats dash. What does the leopard eat? Yes, leopard eats. Your options are flesh of other animals or plants. So flesh of other animals or plants. Yes, your answer is correct. Leopard eats the flesh of other animals. So let us start. Flesh. What is the spelling of flesh? F-L-E-S-H. Flesh of other animals. Okay, flesh of other animals. So these spellings are given in the option only. So when you get the option, that time you have to check the spelling in the option and you can use that spellings. Okay, but even then you should learn these spellings. Okay. Now exercise B, match the column. Column A is there and column B is also here. So see, options are gorilla A, B bird, C tiger, D bear. Okay, so these are the options given in the column A. Now what are the options in column B? So let us read. Number 1, cave. Number 2, den. Number 3, nest. Number 4, open places. Open places. Okay, so let us match these animals with their homes. So see, number 1, gorilla. So where do the gorilla lives? Gorilla lives in open places. So let us match. Okay, so in this way you have to match. You can write in front of your answers 1, 2, 3, 4 number also you can write. But we will match like this. Number 2, bird. So bird lives in a nest. Yes. So bird lives in a nest. Okay. Next number 3, tiger. Okay. So tiger, where do the tiger live? Yes. Tiger lives in a den. So let us tigers live in a den. And the last option bear lives in a cave. So let us match. I hope you understood the exercise B also. So let us move to the exercise C. So what is the exercise C? So the C exercise is state whether the following statements are true or false. Okay. So for that I need a board. So I am going to rub it. So true or false statements, I will not write the complete sentences. Okay, I will write the answers only. For that, what you have to do? You have to listen the sentences clearly, or whatever I am speaking, that you have to listen it very carefully. So see, exercise C. Okay, so I am putting here C. State true or false. In short, I will write true, T-R-U-E, true, or false, F-A-L-S-E, false. Okay, so in short we have to write T or F only. Okay, so in that number 1. So what is number 1? Why obviously not. It is false statement. It is a wrong statement. That's why we are going to write F. Okay, in the box we are writing the answer. So number 2. Okay, so what is the question number 2? So see, all wild animals live on trees. So all wild animals live on trees? No, only few of them live. So this sentence is also false. Okay, so we are going to write F. Okay, next number 3. A deer is a plant eating animal. Number 3. A deer is a plant eating animal. So is it right or it is wrong? Yes, it is correct. So that's why for correct statement, correct means true, true means T. We are going to write T. Number 4. Let us read the sentence. All wild animals eat flesh. So all wild animals eat flesh? No. Some wild animals can eat plants also, green grass also, like deer and etc. So this statement is also wrong. So I am going to write F. Okay. So last number 5. Okay. So see, jackal eats the flesh of dead animals. Jackal eats the flesh of dead animals. Okay. So this statement is true. So for true statements or the correct statement, we are going to write the T here. I hope you understood the exercise C. Okay. Now let us move to the. Now you have to turn your page and you are now page number 41 and exercise D is there. Okay. So what is exercise D? Okay. So give 2 examples. What you have to give or what you have to do, you have to write 2 examples. Okay. You are going to write 2 examples. So see. Give 2 examples for each of the following. So I am writing only the answers. So this is exercise D. Okay. Exercise D. Give 2 examples. So in short, I will write give 2 examples. Okay. So this is our question. Now in that number 1. So what is the question? Plant eating animals. So your 2 examples you have to write plant eating animals. Okay. So they are at zebra. So I am writing only the answers. So deer and zebra. Zebra. Okay. Question number 2. See. Flesh eating animals. You have to write the names of those animals. Those animals can eat the flesh. So flesh eating animals, leopard and lion. Okay. So leopard and lion. Okay. You have to learn all these things. And the question number 3 is scavengers. Okay. So you have to write the 2 examples of scavengers. Now, if you forgot what is meant by scavengers, so I am going to tell you. Some wild animals eat the flesh of other animals. Yes. So they kill the animals and they eat the flesh of them. But they are flesh eating animals. But what is meant by scavengers? Scavengers means the animals eat the flesh of dead animals. Some animals eat the flesh of dead animals. They keep the forest clean. They help in keeping the forest clean. Such type of animals are called as scavengers. Okay. I hope you understood. Scavengers means they eat the flesh of dead animals. So examples are hyena and vulture. Okay. So in this way you have to write 2 examples for each of the following. Now exercise E is there. The exercise E is answer the following questions briefly. Okay. So see. What you have to do, I am writing the answers on the board. Okay. And I will send you in PDF also the answers. You can take a screenshot also of these answers. Okay. So answer the following questions. We are going to start. I hope you understood it well. Lesson number 4, wild animals. It is a very easy lesson. Okay. So that is exercise E. Okay. So exercise E means question answer. What are wild animals? Okay. So in that number 1, what are wild animals? So I am going to write only the answer. Okay. The animals that live. The animals See, what is the question? Why do animals need shelter? Okay. So the answer is animals need shelter to protect themselves. Okay. From cold, heat, rain, and their enemies. So the answer is the yes, animals. We can start with animals. Animals need shelter to protect. Okay, animals need shelter to protect themselves. Okay, themselves from heat, cold, rain, and their enemies. Okay. So in this way, the answer is here. So animals need shelter to protect themselves from heat. Okay, from heat, cold, rain, and from their enemies. So now question number 3. What is question number 3? So see, give 2 examples. Means you have to give 2 examples of wild animals that make their own home. So see, you have to give 2 examples of the animals that make their own home, who can build their home by themselves. So the 2 examples from that. The example number 1 is, I am writing, birds build their own home known as the nest. Birds build their own home, okay, called nest, or known as, called is also correct, known as nest. Okay, and the second example is rabbit. Okay, so rabbits make their homes in the ground. Rabbits make their home in the ground. Okay, so see, rabbits make their home in the ground, okay, called burrows. Okay, called burrows. Okay, so this is example 1 and this is example number 2. Okay, so I will take the question answer once again. So see, what are wild animals? So you can take screenshot of this also. The animals that live in forest are called the wild animals. Question number 2. Why do animals need shelter? Animals need shelter to protect themselves from heat, cold, rain, and their enemies. Question number 3. Give 2 examples of wild animals that make their own home. So the example number 1 is, birds build their own home known as nest, and second example, rabbits make their home, okay, or own home, okay, in the ground and called as burrows. Okay, so burrows. So in this way we have completed our exercise E. Now words, higher order thinking skill. So can wild animals be kept at home? So see, we cannot, hint is given there, where do wild animals live? So see, wild animals live in jungle or in the forest. Yes, we cannot keep the wild animals at our home because we cannot provide them all the facilities for their survival. Yes, for example, wild animals eat the flesh of other animals. Yes, so it is not possible to keep the wild animals at our home. So it is better that they should be stay in forest only. Okay, now exercise G is there. Circle the odd animal based on the type of food they eat. So see, picture is here. Okay, so see, lion, okay, fox, crocodile, and rhinoceros. So these all are they are flesh eating animals, and only rhinoceros is a plant eating animal. So you have to circle the rhinoceros. Now project is there, H. Okay, so see, collect the pictures of wild animals. So you have to collect the pictures of wild animals. You have already scrapbook. You are doing the PH very properly, very good, and you are doing the projects also. So make a scrapbook by pasting these pictures and writing the names and the eating habits of these animals. So you have to collect the pictures of wild animals, you have to write their names, you have to writing their habits also, eating habits. This plant eating animals you have to paste in one group or one page, or fish eating animals you can make another group like that. Also write the kind of places they live in, and also you have to write the places where they live in. Okay, so in this way you have to make a beautiful chart. Now turn the page, open page number 42. Colored worksheet is there. Okay, so this worksheet is PH. You have to solve this worksheet by yourself. So see, color the picture given below that shows the wild animals in the forest. So you have to color this picture beautifully, and you have to see. Now what you have to do, again one exercise is there for you. Find the names of 6 wild animals. 6 wild animals are here, and that are hidden in the box given below. You can go left, you can go left also. Okay, you can go right also, you can go up also, you can go down also for searching. Going means for searching, means you can search like this also, like this also, like this also, and like this also. One has been done for you. So okay, so rhinoceros they have circle. So in this way you have to solve worksheet, okay, which is given on page number 44. So dear students, you have to solve this exercise in the textbook first, and afterwards you have to copy down all the question answers in the science notebook. Okay students, so stay home, stay safe. Bye.